Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you how you can create a Facebook event cover. So it is a very good skill to work on. So first of all, we will go to Fiverr. So let's see is there is any demand of this skill or not. So I am going to Fiverr, and if you don't know what Fiverr is, so Fiverr is a top one of the top freelancing platform in which people sell their skills and clients uh, buy their skills. So it is a very good platform. Here I write Facebook event cover, so it shows me there are 4643 services available. It means that 4643 freelancers are providing this service. So let's see one of the gig and analyze it. So I will open this gig. I will design professional Facebook event cover for your FB event. So it start from $15 and a 5-star 8 5-star reviews. So I click on this, and it show in the next window. So here uh, we see it charge $15, and in which he provide us event cover, special professionally designed high quality Facebook event cover. So it is good. So we check his portfolio. Yes, his designing skill is good, and yeah, he provide good templates. So in this video tutorial I will show you how you can create beautiful Facebook event cover like these. So let's go to Canva, and here I will show you how you can create this. So first of all, you search in Canva Facebook event cover, and after that it provide us different templates. So I click on create a blank Facebook event cover. So it loading in the next window. It takes some seconds to load, so let's wait for a second. So it depend on the internet speed. If your internet speed is high, then it will load in just no time. So my net is bit slow today, that's why it takes some time. So that's it. So I want to create event design for like music festival. So I write here music, MUSIC, and it provides me different templates according to music. So I want to create a simple, so I choose this one. Yeah, that's good. So now I can easily customize this template, and according to my requirements. So first of all, I would like to change the background color, and like some funky color. So I apply the gradient. Yes, yeah, that's good. After that I want to change this man, and here I search musician, and it provides me different photos of musicians. So I like this one, and then I click on edit photo and remove the background of this photo. I click on BG remover. So that's it, it removed the background. So I increase the size of the photo, and that's it. So it look good. Here I write Nuri Band Fest Contest and uh, we would also change the color of the text. So I want to change the color of the text. No, no. Yeah, that's look good. Yes. So I change the text color. I also change the leaf colors. So our template is ready, so we can easily so as you see, we easily create the template, and it just took 2 to 3 minutes, and we can charge up to 40 to 45 dollars. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends. So I will meet you in the next video.